Deep within the Mediterranean forests, a remarkable natural cycle begins beneath them. Skilled harvesters arrive equipped with traditional tools, ready to collect a sustainable treasure without harming nature. Every tree must be carefully evaluated to ensure the outer bark has reached its ideal thickness. With absolute precision, the harvester strikes the trunk to create a perfect vertical incision through the bark. A horizontal cut around the upper perimeter defines the boundary for the valuable harvest to come. Using the wedge-shaped handle of the axe, the worker carefully separates the bark from the living tree.
Two harvesters work in perfect unison to lower the massive, unbroken sheet of cork to the ground.
The vibrant red trunk remains perfectly intact, completely unharmed, and ready to regenerate over the next 9 years.
Freshly harvested cork planks are gathered at a centralized forest collection point for initial sorting.
The high-capacity flatbed trucks are loaded securely, preparing to transport the raw bark to the curing facility. With a full cargo of natural material, the convoy departs the forest on its journey toward transformation. The convoy arrives at the massive outdoor curing facility, where thousands of tons of cork rest. Every batch is weighed with digital precision to track the exact volume of harvested forest material. Massive wheel loaders carefully transport the pallets to their designated location within the vast seasoning grid. The planks are stacked in a specific geometric pattern to maximize airflow and natural seasoning efficiency. For 6 full months, the cork must rest in the open air, exposed directly to the elements. This extended exposure allows the natural internal structure of the bark to stabilize and relax completely. A quality assurance technician inspects the cured planks, taking core samples to measure moisture levels accurately. Proved batches are loaded onto automated factory transport carts, moving from the yard into the production facility. The seasoned cork planks are fully submerged into massive vats of purified, boiling water for 1 hour. Inside the boiling water, the microscopic air cells of the cork expand, dramatically increasing its flexibility. After 60 minutes, the basket rises from the boiling water, revealing completely transformed and softened cork. The steaming planks are transferred onto a specialized conveyor system where automated rollers flatten them completely. Now uniform and pliable, the boiled planks are stacked neatly to stabilize in a climate-controlled room. The stabilized planks pass through high-speed rotary blades, slicing the wood into long, uniform strips. Each strip is inspected manually by expert sorters who judge thickness and structural integrity instantly. The approved cork strips are transported to the punching department, where the classic cork shape is born. For ultra-premium wine stoppers, skilled craftspeople manually punch each cylinder to avoid natural flaws. Simultaneously, high-speed automated punching machines process high-volume batches with flawless electronic consistency. The remaining perforated strips leave the machine, destined for a sustainable recycling process where nothing is wasted. The newly minted raw cylinders are collected onto a vibrating screening table to remove loose particles. An inclined cleated conveyor lifts the massive volume of raw corks toward the advanced grading department. The corks enter an optical laser sorting machine that analyzes every single millimeter of their surface. A technician monitors the digital interface, tracking real-time data on density, porosity, and visual defects. The highest-grade natural corks are segregated into specialized lined bins, destined for iconic vintage wines. Corks with higher natural porosity are directed to the agglomerated line, ensuring total material utilization. Meanwhile, the perforated waste strips from earlier are fed into a massive industrial grinding mill. The pulverized wood is transformed into fine cork granules, spinning through a massive sorting cyclone. These sustainable granules are blended with food-grade eco-binders to prepare for technical cork molding. The compound is extruded through high-pressure heated dies, forming endless, solid rods of technical cork. A high-precision flying saw cuts the continuous rod into exact lengths, creating technical agglomerated corks. Both natural and technical cork lines now converge in the grand finishing hall for final surface processing. The cork cylinders enter tumbling drums, where micro-abrasive media smooths their surfaces to perfect dimensions. Emerging from polishing, the corks blast through an air knife system to eliminate all micro-dust particles. To guarantee absolute safety for the wine, the corks undergo a rigorous chemical sterilization wash. The sanitized corks pass through multi-stage industrial drying ovens to achieve the ideal structural moisture level. An automated sensor grid tests every batch, ensuring moisture is locked between 4 and 8%. Custom branding is applied to each cylinder using precision laser engravers or non-toxic ink rollers. A micro-layer of food-grade silicone or paraffin is applied to facilitate effortless cork insertion and extraction. Before final packaging, a secondary optical inspection guarantees every single cork meets flawless industry standards. Highly trained laboratory analysts conduct random manual checks, verifying elasticity under intense physical compression. Microscopic evaluation reveals the intact cellular honeycomb, the secret behind the material's legendary sealing power. Approved batches flow rapidly toward the bulk packaging bays, traveling along medical-grade sanitary transport conveyors. Precision electronic counters track the rapid cascade of closures, grouping them into exact 1,000-piece batches. The grouped cylinders drop seamlessly into heavy-duty protective polymer bags, maintaining their sanitized factory condition. Industrial vacuum sealers extract excess ambient air, injecting sulfur dioxide gas to preserve absolute sterility. Thermal welding completely seals the barrier, locking the pristine stoppers inside a perfectly controlled microenvironment. Automated robotic arms grasp the sealed bags, lowering them gently into reinforced corrugated shipping cartons. Each carton is folded and taped securely, ensuring the delicate cargo withstands extended global transit. Logistics systems scan unique tracking codes, registering each specific box within the global inventory database. Automated palletizers stack the finished cartons into towering structural grids optimized for secure international transport. Heavy stretch wrap encapsulates the entire pallet, providing critical stability and moisture protection during shipping. Smart automated guided vehicles transport the wrapped pallets deep into the temperature-controlled distribution warehouse environment. Massive loading bays connect the pristine factory directly to a waiting fleet of heavy transport vehicles. Electric forklifts load the premium cargo into clean, climate-controlled trailers prepared for the outbound journey. The transport convoy rolls onto the highway, carrying millions of essential closures toward legendary global vineyards. For overseas distribution, standardized shipping containers protect the delicate cargo across vast ocean transit routes. The journey ends at a prestigious wine estate, where decades of agricultural craft finally converge.
Winery personnel receive the shipment carefully, bringing the pristine closures into their dedicated production facility.
A master winemaker personally inspects the incoming batch, confirming the premium quality of the delivery. The shipment rests briefly in the winery cellar, acclimating to the ambient temperature and humidity. When bottling day arrives, the specialized cartons are transferred directly onto the active production floor. Technicians open the reinforced boxes, preparing to feed the automated systems that seal the wine. The protective polymer seal is broken, exposing the flawless stoppers to ambient air once again. Thousands of pristine corks are poured smoothly into the massive stainless steel intake receiving hopper. An inclined elevator belt gently carries the closures upward toward the high-speed sorting and alignment bowl. The vibrating distribution bowl precisely aligns every single cork into a perfect, uniform, vertical orientation. Aligned stoppers slide down a specialized feeding tube, marching continuously toward the heavy compression machinery. Meanwhile, filled glass bottles travel along the conveyor below, carrying wine destined for long-term aging. A precise 15-millimeter gap remains at the top of every bottle, allowing the wine to breathe. A brief injection of inert nitrogen gas clears the headspace, preventing premature oxidation before sealing. The glass bottle aligns perfectly beneath the heavy steel jaws of the mechanical corking unit. In a fraction of a second, 4 stainless steel jaws compress the cork down forcefully. The compressed wood shrinks dramatically, becoming narrow enough to enter the tight glass bottleneck smoothly. A high-velocity mechanical plunger strikes the compressed cork, driving it rapidly down into the glass. Freed from the jaws, the elastic cellular structure instantly expands outward against the rigid glass. This rapid expansion creates an airtight, hermetic seal capable of preserving the wine for decades.
The sealed bottle moves away from the machinery, its precious liquid cargo now completely protected.
A decorative foil capsule drops over the exposed cork, adding a final layer of traditional security. High-speed spinning rollers crimp the metallic foil tightly against the distinctive contours of the glass. Automated labeling machines apply the winery's signature branding, completing the visual identity of the vintage. Sensors conduct a final optical scan, verifying the capsule placement and label alignment remain absolutely perfect. The finished bottles are carefully packed into premium wooden crates for their long maturation period. These heavy wooden cases are transported directly down into the dark, silent depths of the cellar. Here, isolated from sunlight and temperature shifts, the true magic of the cork finally begins. Through its microscopic cellular network, the stopper permits a strictly regulated, tiny exchange of ambient oxygen. This invisible micro-oxygenation process is entirely responsible for developing the complex flavors of aged vintage wine.
The stoppers stand guard in the darkness, maintaining a perfect environmental equilibrium over countless years.
Decades of potential rest quietly within these glass walls, protected entirely by the sustainable forest harvest.